You all must be wondering why the Maverick can jump on a hop so this evening. Well, yes, the Maverick is still hopping mad. After the number 49 ranked Jamaica could only manage a draw against the number 139 ranked Antigua Barbuda right here in Jamaica. And yes, we cross, hungry and miserable because Jamaica could not beat Antigua. How can my national team draw with a little small island team that is ranked 90 places below? I mean, no mad at them. It was a worthless performance by the players and by the coaching staff. We played the game at one pace without intensity and purpose. I don't know if it was complacency or what, but Coach Tapper Whitmore experimented too much by playing too many players out of position. The man had 4 specialist number 9s and 2 specialist left wing backs on the field at the same time. Just too many square pegs fitted into round holes. And this result will hurt us even more because we just get back into the elusive top 50 on the FIFA rankings. And this result, we're going to drop right back down at 60 or 70. In terms of positives, we never lose the game. And it better we play bad and draw in a friendly game than in a World Cup qualifier, a Gold Cup, or the new League of Nations game. But you hear me? Fly high or fly low, Jamaica not supposed to draw with Antigua. Nothing Jamaica now. No, the Maverick hopping, man. Hopping, man. Hopping, man.